There you go. You want it?
Yeah.
What's up, guys?
Do it
Sam
quickly.
555 here, opening my entry packs for the regionals.
Quickly. Please.
Oh yeah, that heraldry reborn. You got Gaga Godclair? Thing's awful. Oh yeah. You better be holding it. I'm seeing
No. It's dead on, man.
Come up here, packs it, Mike.
Yo, dog.
How do you get all rares? Oh yeah.
Let's see what you pull, Big Mike.
Oh, I got a tanky.
Oh, you want to V-tape me?
Yeah. I'm totally gonna get all rares. I have the worst luck with packs.
I know. Me too. That's why I pulled Kickfire.
Oh, nice. Shit.
King Tiger.
That's a good
Not
card.
bad.
That's a pretty good card you got there. Just shame something happened to it.
This one feels heavy. Feel lucky. This one feels good.
It's not.
That's not bad.
Let's see if I can wave it. I did this the other day with a pack. I was like,
Cool
this
beans.
one feels like it's got secret.
So,
whoa, this one doesn't.
sorry guys for the bad camera work. So I got a tiger and some XYZ shit. And then some bad rares.
Maybe.
Alright guys, I pulled one tiger, so I'm gonna build Firefist now.
You should, because that's the expensive part of the deck.
Yeah. Alright, so Mike's opening his packs. Here we go.
I'm trying to weigh them. I think this one is going to have a hollow in it, and maybe this one.
I'll pull the maybe.
No. Jack! Oh, bacon.
All bacon saver.
Yeah, no hollow.
Was that all commons?
Yeah. And a rare.
Not even good.
The shitty Blackwing. Oh. Dragon.
Oh.
I thought that one.
I thought there was a bear all of a sudden. I was like, shit. That's how you do it, guys. Use your teeth.
A real man.
Taking all your bad cards.
What the fuck?
What do you got here?
Isn't that hot?
It's pretty hot. It'd be hotter if they were alties, though.
You know what? Shut up.
You're gonna get all rares, bro.
I think I was super rare.
Is that that's the heavy one, right?
Yes, the heavy one.
Here you go.
Dude, you
Here
didn't
you go.
pull
Secret rare.
tanky.
Secret rare.
Started with a bacon saver. Aww.
Oh, that's your best pack.
Gorilla.
Unfortunately.
Yeah.
Because you pulled a tanky there. That's worth keeping.
Hold on.
Alright, Graham.
All right, guys. It's the first pack opening.
Spike.
Holden's a scrub. Peace.